Let's explore the key causes of servo motor failure and effective prevention methods. Excessive heat can lead to insulation breakdown and winding failure. Dust, debris, and moisture can infiltrate the motor, causing corrosion and mechanical wear. Voltage spikes, overloading, and incorrect wiring can damage the motor's electronic components. The sudden application of braking force generates excess heat, potentially damaging the motor's components. Misaligned bearing increases mechanical stress, leading to premature failure and motor damage. Regular maintenance, including cleaning, lubrication, and inspection, helps mitigate contamination risks. Installing enclosures and voltage protectors helps safeguard the motor against electrical issues. Identifying failure causes and implementing preventive measures leads to cost saving and efficiency boosting. Stay ahead of failures. Choose NRI for surplus motors and preventive maintenance parts.